Alright class, since today is my birthday, we are going to have something exciting for lunch today.
Mr. Hernandez, are we going to the Sugar Bowl?
No, Blossom, we're not.
Are we going to main event?
No, not the Tina. It's a surprise.
At noon. Before we have birthday lunch, I want this class along with Miss Fink's class to say happy birthday to Mr. Hernandez. Mr. Hernandez, I don't want fish and pizza. I want GameWorks.
Phineas T. Ratchet, this is what we're eating today. You can't have GameWorks for another time.
No, I want freaking GameWorks. And that's final. Take me to GameWorks right freaking now.
Phineas T. Ratchet, you better quit acting like a freak attitude. We are not going to GameWorks.
That's it. I'm destroying the freak party.
Phineas T. Ratchet, you are good for nothing. You destroyed my birthday party. You are in big trouble.
You're coming with me to my office immediately. Phineas T. Ratchet, that was no excuse to destroy Mr. Hernandez's birthday party. Because of this, you will be suspended for 34 weeks. Go home right now. Phineas T. Ratchet, how dare you destroy Mr. Hernandez's surprise birthday party? That's it. You're grounded for 25 years. Go to bed right now.